Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making vegetable soup. So let's cook our meat first. I'm using red onions. Spice, I'm using garlic, ginger, curry, thyme, parsley, nutmeg, seasoning cube and salt. The nutmeg is optional. If you don't have, you can still, you are good to go. So I'm adding a cow meat. Add water to cook your meat because your meat have to be tender and soft. So I'm adding fish. I'm using mackerel fish. You can use dry fish, any fish you like. So cook that for 20 to 25 minutes. The leaf I'm using cavallo nero and the spinach for this vegetable soup. But you can use other vegetable you have to make your vegetable soup. So I always remove the leaf from the stem because this cavallo nero, the stem is hard. Time to slice. So now I'm going to cut to my desired taste. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Please support by sharing, like, comment and follow us for more video. We really need your support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So I'm done cutting my leaf. The way I love this cavallo nero, just that it's a seasonal vegetable. You don't see it all year. So this is my spinach. Cavallo nero, I think they usually come out around the October, November, December, January, February. So March, you won't start seeing them again to be scarce. I don't know why the leaf is seasonal leaf. To add your palm oil to your pot, we are using palm oil to make our vegetable soup. Yes. Add salt. Add your onions. I'm using red onions. Stir fry for a few minutes. Now add your tomatoes. I'm using chopped tomatoes. It's roughly chopped. So we are going to cook this for a few minutes. While we are doing this process is to remove that sour taste, because we don't want to be eating our soup and it will be slapping our mouth. So time to add our meat stock. Add water. Just ignore my background, guys. So I add that was seasoning cube and I'm using dry grounded pepper. If you have fresh pepper, you can use. So this is my cow skin. I just cut it like so that you can pick it and eat. You don't need to strangle yourself. So time to add our chopped vegetable. I'm adding the cavallo nero. The English name is Kali, I guess, because it's hard. Okay, so I'm adding it first. If not, I would add the vegetable first. That one is sink. Combine very well. Still they laugh, they come, they look me. Hi. So time to add our spinach. So I added the spinach last because this spinach is going to bring out water for us. Combine very well. So I add the spinach last because spinach is going to give us its own water. Now I'm adding my cooked beef. You can use any protein of your choice. Okay. So now combine everything very well. And don't forget to follow us, subscribe, like, and support us. I'm adding seasoning cube here. You can correct your seasoning cube. I'm adding my cooked fish. So I add my fish last. Why? Because if you add your fish on time, it will get pieces, as you dey turn the soup, it go scatter. So that's why we dey add our fish last. If not, na boom 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 you go chop for the soup. And our soup is ready. You can eat this with semo, fufu, eba, rice. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.